Hi everyone, today we're drawing Luffy from One Piece. Follow along and draw with me. Let's start with the first eye. Draw a small curved line. Next, draw the bottom line of the eye. Keep it round and simple. Now add a little circle inside. This is the pupil. Now move to the second eye. Draw the same curved line. Now draw the bottom line of the second eye. Add the pupil inside the eye. Next, add the eyebrows. Draw one short angled line above the eye. Do the same on the other side. This makes the face look strong. Now let's draw the nose. Just a small curved line in the center and a small dot near it. Next, draw the mouth. Start with a simple curved line like this. Then add another one on the other side. Now add the line inside the mouth. This shows the teeth. And add two small lines inside like I show. Next, draw a small line on the cheek. Now draw the jawline on one side. Start near the cheek and go down. Now draw the other side of the face. Make both sides even. Great. Now let's draw the ear. Start with a simple curved shape. Then add small lines inside. Now draw the second ear. Make it the same size as the first one. Great. Now let's draw the hat. First make a dot like I show. Start with a long curved line on one side. And then do the same on the other side. Now draw two lines like this. It will be the top of the hair. Draw a sharp pointed shape like this. Add another hair spike next to it. Keep the lines simple and spiky. Continue drawing the hair across the forehead. Pointy shapes work best. Add a few more hair spikes on the other side. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now color the hair black with a thick marker. Now draw the top of the hat. And add small lines to show texture. Draw a few more lines on the sides of the hat. Draw two simple lines for the neck. Add small curves for the shoulders. Draw the shirt shape. Simple lines, nothing complicated. Add the opening of the shirt in the middle. And add a few small lines for the chest. Nice drawing. Keep practicing and have fun. Subscribe to draw together again. Check out the next video. Bye.